Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a shawl pin. So let's get started. Crochet this shawl pin. I'm going to use some number 10 crochet cotton. You could use yarn, but the crochet cotton will probably be more durable. And I just have a small pill bottle here. And I'm going to wind this around quite a few times because I want to have a nice stiff circle in the center. So I'm probably going to go around, I don't know how many times that was, but you just want something good and thick. And I'm going to take a small crochet hook and I'm going to make one single crochet, and then I'm going to single crochet all the way around. So into the ring, I'm just going to make one single crochet, and I'm going to do that all the way around. I'm going to do it quite tightly so that I have a rigid circle. So I'm going to go off camera and do that, and then I'll come back and show you. Okay, I worked all the way around, and then every once in a while I would stop and really push them so that the stitches were on there really tight. And then at the end of the row, after I've gotten all my ones done, I'm just going to slip stitch to join like that. And that will give you a fairly rigid circle. And then you can place your circle down on your knitted or crocheted shawl and pass this bamboo skewer through. And on this pin, I just took my bamboo skewer and a permanent black marker, and I just colored my stick in. So you could color it any color that you needed. In my other video, I also showed how to make this kind of a pin. If you have wire, you could also make a pin like this to pass through your shawl pin. And as the center, you could also use this type of wire. You usually get it in the gardening section, or sometimes you have them as twist ties. Just connect it and then crochet all the way around on a wire. And there you go. That would be how you'd make a crochet shawl pin. And you can check out my other video to find out how to make the wire ones. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.